Welcome students. We are going to learn about the next chapter, algebraic formulae and expansion of squares. The product of algebraic expression is called the expansion of that given binomial. So in this video we are going to learn how to expand the given binomial or how to find out the square of the given binomial. For that we are going to need the two formulas for expanding the given binomial. So let us see the two formula. A plus B bracket square. So we have to expand this binomial. So first we will take A, multiply it by A plus B. Then take the second term B, multiply with the bracket A plus B. Now you find out the product. A square plus AB plus AB plus B square. BA or AB means the same. Now you have to add this. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is the product of the binomial A plus B bracket square. So this is the formula of A plus B bracket square of expansion. Now if we are having, instead of plus sign, we are having minus sign. A minus B bracket square. So we will take the first term A, multiply it by A minus B. Then the second term minus B, multiply it by A minus B. Now you find out the product. A square minus AB minus AB minus B into minus B will be plus B square. Do the addition of this. A square minus 2AB plus B square. So these two formulas we will be using for expansion of the given binomial. So you have to learn these formulas, practice these formulas again and again. So now let us go to the practice set.
Start.
Now we will be solving few sums from practice set 50. So the second sum, A upon 2 plus B upon 3 bracket square. So here you have to make use of the expansion formula A square plus 2AB plus B square. So now this is our first term. So we will expand this. A square means A upon 2 bracket square plus 2AB means 2 into first term A upon 2 into second term B upon 3 plus B upon 3 bracket square. So after finding out the product, we will write A square upon 4 plus these two will get cancelled. AB upon 3 plus B square upon 9. Square of 3 is 9. So this is the expanded form of this binomial. The third sum, 2p minus 3q bracket square. Now here we are having minus sign. So according to the formula A square, our formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So first term square will be 2p square. Minus sign here. Then 2 into first term. First term is 2p into second term 3q and plus minus 3q bracket square. Now here find out the square of 2p. The square of 2p is 4p square minus 2 into 2 4 into 3 12. 12p cube minus 3 into minus 3 will become plus 9q square. So this is the expanded form of this binomial. Now we will solve the fourth sum, x minus 2 upon x square. So we will be using the expansion formula, first term square minus 2 into first term into 2 upon x plus minus 2 upon x bracket square. Now find out the product. X square, x will get cancelled, minus 4 plus minus 2 upon x into minus 2 upon x will be plus 4 upon x square. So you may find it difficult because this is a fraction 2 upon x, but after practicing the sums again and again, you will be able to solve the sums. So this is the expanded form of this binomial. Now let us solve the second sum. Second question. Which of the options given below is the square of the binomial 8 minus 1 upon x? They have given you 4 options. You have to find out the expanded form of this binomial. So let us find the expanded form of 8 minus 1 upon x square. So first term square, it will be 8 square minus 2ab. So 2 into first term, that is 8, into 1 upon x plus minus 1 upon bracket square. So square of 8 is 64, minus sign, 2 into 8 is 16 upon x plus 1 upon x square. So which is the option here? You are having option, third option. So third option is the correct answer of this question. The third question you will solve on your own. Now we will go to the fourth question. Use an expansion formula to find out the values. Here they have given you the numbers, and by using the expansion formula you have to find out the values. The fourth question. Use an expansion formula to find out the values. So we have to make the use of a plus b bracket square, the expansion formula for these numbers. So let us solve the second sum from this question, 102 square. So 102 you have to split in such a way in the form of binomial. So 102 is near to 100 plus 2. So this number we can write as 100 plus 2. Now find out the square of this or expanded form of this. So expanded form by using the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now first term square, that is 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. Now 100 square is 10,000 plus 200 into 2, 400 plus 4. So the answer comes 10404. So this is the value of this binomial. In the same way, we will solve the third sum. You have to find out the value of this number or expanded form of 97. So 97 is near to 100. So I will be writing in the form 100 minus 3 is 97 and bracket square, that is we have to find out the expanded form. So we will be using this formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first term square is 100 square minus sign 2 into 100 into 3 plus bracket minus 3 square. The second term is minus 3. So find out the value. This will be 10,000 minus 300 into 2, 600, 9 minus 3 square will be plus 9. So find out this value. This value you calculate 10,000 minus 600. And plus 9. So you have the answer 9,409. So this is the value of the bracket 100 minus 3 bracket square. So all these sums which we have solved in this video, you have to solve in the classwork along with the sums which we have not solved. So this whole exercise you have to complete in the classwork. Now we are going to learn one more formula. The expansion of a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So let us find out the expansion of this. So take the first term a, multiply it by a minus b. Then take the second term, multiply it by the second bracket. Now find out the expansion or product a square minus ab plus ab minus b square. So here one term is having plus sign and the other term is having minus sign. So our answer will be, the sign will be minus. Here minus ab and plus ab will get cancelled. So we have a square minus b square. So this is the expansion formula for the bracket a plus b into a minus b. So this formula you have to keep in mind, and with the help of this formula we are going to solve few sums from the next exercise. Now we are going to solve few sums from practice set 51. Use the formula to multiply the following. Our formula we have learned a square minus b square. So with this formula we are going to find out the product of these two binomials, to multiply these two binomials. So we are having this formula a square minus b square. So first term is x, so square of x, and the second term is y, so minus sign and square of y. So our answer is x square minus y square. The second and third sum you will be solving on your own. So now we will solve the fourth sum, x upon 5 plus 6 in one bracket and x upon 5 minus 6 in another bracket. So again we will be using this formula, square of first term, then minus sign, square of 6. So square of this bracket is x square upon 25 minus 36 is the expanded form of these two binomials. The second question, use the formula to find out the value. Now you have to use this formula to find out the value of this product. So 97 we will be writing as 100 minus 3 and 103 will be writing as 100 plus 3. So by using this formula we are having 100 square minus 3 square. So 10,000 minus 9. So you find out the answer of this. 10,000 minus 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9. 10 minus 9, 9. So the answer is 9,991. Now we will be solving the third sum, 54 into 46. So how we can write 54? 50 plus 4 in one bracket, and 46, 50 minus 4 in another bracket. So one bracket is having plus sign and another bracket is having minus sign. So we will be using this formula. So first term is 50. So square of 50. Then you are having minus sign and square of 4. So square of 50 is, and square of 4 is 16. So find out the subtraction. 2500 minus 16. So the answer is 2484. So the formula a square minus b square, we are finding out the value of the product 54 into 46. So in this way we have completed practice set 51. So all these sums you will be solving in your classwork notebook. You have to practice the sums again and again. Okay. Take care children. Thank you.